So, lifting the last of the carrots. First thing to do is get rid of the netting. As it's the end of the season, then it's always a good idea to get your netting out of the way and cleaned before you put it away. That way pest and disease will be at a minimum for next year. And just see what lovely crops we've got. Got different varieties, different colours. Obviously you can grow a whole cornucopia of colours, and I will be getting rid of all of the debris and making sure that we've got a nice clean bed ready for maybe some winter veg that we might stand out here, or possibly even the spring cabbage will go out here. But it's all about maintaining hygiene. Now it's about getting rid of anything and anywhere where pest and disease might hide over the winter, so you've got a really good, nice, clean area for your crops for next year. We're really lucky at Clumber Park because we're growing our carrots this year on our no-dig beds, so there's very little digging involved. If your soil is a little bit more compacted, or if you're growing on a clay soil, then in order to get your carrots out really nicely, then you might think about watering the soil the night before so that the carrots come out a bit easier. You might also need to use a larger fork. We're really lucky that they're just coming out really easily with a hand fork.